principle of chloride bwms is mainly consisted of three procedures: filtration, disinfection, and neutralization. During ballasting, ballast water is filtrated by an automatic back-flushing filter. Marine organisms larger than 50 micrometers will be removed during this process. Then a side stream of filtered blast water flow to electrolyzing unit to generate high-concentrated oxidant, mainly sodium hyperchlorite solution, which will be injected back into main ballast stream to provide effective disinfection to meet D2 discharge standard. Active oxidant will remain in ballast tank for a certain period of time, preventing regrowth of microbes. During deballasting, ballast water will be discharged directly without repeating disinfection. TRO, total residual oxidant, sensor installed at the outlet of deballasting pipe will closely measure the concentration level of active oxidant. If TRO level is higher than 0.1 ppm, neutralization unit will be operated automatically. The neutralizer will be injected into the deballasting pipe. If TRO concentration is lower than 0.1 ppm, ballast water will be discharged to the sea directly and system not be operated. There are three major components: water management system, filtration unit, electrolysis unit, and neutralization unit. During ballasting process, ballast water should flow through an automatic back flusher filter firstly after ballast pump. During filtration, seawater flow into filter housing via inlet flange. Some of the unfiltered water flow into the upper section of the filter by the vertical tube between two filter mesh inserts, and reverse to the filter mesh inserts. This means that the water flows into the filter inserts from opposite directions, then organic and inorganic particles larger than 50 micrometers being separated in the inside of filter candle, and clean ballast water flow out through the outlet of the filter. When the pressure drop between the internal and external of the filter mesh rise to a set value, the filter could operate back flushing process automatically. The filter meshes, which are open at both ends, will be alternately flushed in sequence from above and below. This action doesn't interrupt the normal operation. The flushing arm on the top of the filter rotates by gear motor and covers the upper opening of the filter mesh. Simultaneously, the flushing arm leads the flushing valve opened automatically. As the result of pressure drop inside the mesh, the water will flow through the filter mush from outside to inside, so the residual impurities and plankton could be flushed out of the filter via the flushing valve. Core component of electrolysis unit is tubular plate type electrolytic cell, which is reliable with mature technology, high efficiency with low power consumption, requires installation small space. During electrolyzing process, chlorine was created from electrolyzing seawater on the surface of anodes, which will be dissolved in water rapidly, forming high concentrated sodium hypochlorite solution, and will be injected back into main ballast water pipe after degassing hydrogen during the reaction. Sodium hypochlorite is an effective disinfectant solution, could sufficiently kill spores, larvae, pathogens to meet D2 regulation requirement. Neutralization is used to neutralize TRO. The neutralizer sodium thiosulfate is used in this process and could be controlled automatically. Unit installed in the electrolysis unit with a removal efficiency of about 99%, which can ensure the safety operation of the system. Hydrogen bubbles produced during electrolysis goes into a cone-type cyclone with electrolyzed seawater to generate a turbulent flow. Hydrogen bubbles are broken into smaller ones during high-speed spinning and then rising with water vapor. After two-step separation process, vapor becomes fluid and flows back while hydrogen gas are diluted. By two blowers to a safety concentration and discharged overboard through a degas pipeline. This very degas technology has been operating in the nuclear industry safety for more than 20 years, which fully satisfies the safety